How to buy shares of Regional Management Corp. I will walk through the steps for this consumer finance company. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RM, and this video is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. To buy RM, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker RM to locate Regional Management Corp. Choose the listing that shows NASDAQ and the RM symbol to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a brief company profile and a price chart showing recent movement. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and RM ticker before moving to buy. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the trade. After execution, your RM position will appear in your portfolio where you can review holdings and history. The eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.